Coming to now ethine. Eth means 2 carbon, 1, 2. Yne means triple bond, so triple bond I have put. Now coming to the first carbon, it has 1 hydrogen because 3 bonds are already present, and then 1 hydrogen, 3 bonds are already present. Right? Now let us try to write down the sigma bond. Okay, I'll put here hydrogen bond, and then here also it will be hydrogen. Okay, now here I have 1 sigma, then this is pi, and the center one is sigma. So total 2 sigma on the first carbon, same way 2 sigma on the second carbon. So 2 sigma means what, students? 2 sigma means it is sp hybridization. Okay, as you can see, 2 sigma means what? It is sp hybridization. Clear? So in case of ethine, the carbon atom is sp hybridized. Right? Understood how to solve such type of questions, because they can ask you, they can give you structure, and from that you need to identify the type of hybridization for each and every carbon. Okay? And then coming to the types of covalent bond, just now I explained you, it can be sigma bond or pi bond. Clear? In the next lecture, I will be proceeding with structural representation of organic compounds. So keep watching all my lectures. If you have any difficulty, any doubt, you can just DM me or write down in the comment section. Okay, I'll definitely help you out. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the full course, and drop your question in the comments. And don't miss the next video in this series. It's linked right here on the screen. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.